everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm bringing you an unboxing, a last unboxing of 2019. Not sure who this is from, so let's just get into it. A new company that I've never purchased from before. That's exciting. Ooh. Wrapped pretty good. Ooh. And this painting comes from Home Craftology, which I am not familiar with. The box doesn't look too dented. Let's see. Toolkit. Oh, branding. Okay. Nice branding. Look at that, guys. The opaque cover says Home Craftology. That's a good thing. Let's see what they got in their toolkit. It's cheap tweezers, regular white pen, tray, some baggies. Put that scissor over there. Let this rest a little bit. Ooh, what do we have here? Let's see. We have instructions on how to diamond paint. Welcome and congratulations. Looks like they have a Facebook page and their website, homecraftology.com. Some drills and some resealable baggies. Oops. There's an escape. One of the drills escaped. And it doesn't belong to this one, which is good. This is a square. Let that rest a little bit. This is a square diamond painting. I did order this before Christmas, but with the mail and Christmas time, I knew it was not going to get here before Christmas, so this will be for next Christmas. It is a 40 by 55, and I've been wanting this, and I was hoping it would come in before Christmas, but shit happens. Good for next year. Santa! I loved his face in this. I did. I really did. So let's see how many colors it has. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 33 colors. And I don't have a pen here to mark it, but that's okay. Yeah. Pens are scarce in this house. Not diamond painting pens, but regular pens. Yeah. Let's see. Do we have any pens? No. Alright. So 33 colors we got, guys. Pretty colors. Square. Let's see. On the legend, on the inventory sheet, doesn't look like there's going to be any confusion with symbols. So that's good. Alright, let's see. Alright, We're going to look at the back. Canvas looks pretty good. It's a nylon. Or, yeah, you know. Yeah, you know. Yeah. Alright, let's try to get the air out of this. So it flattens out a little bit. And it looks like it comes in one sheet. So I'm going to make sure the glue doesn't pick up. My nails aren't working today. Let's see. What the hell? There we go. It looks like it is one sheet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to release the air on all four corners. Flattens out a little bit. Yeah. I'm going to do this side. Hopefully as everybody's having a good day. I know it's New Year's Eve. Happy New Year, everybody. Or Happy New Year's Eve. Let's see. Oh, that one. Guys, those of you who have just begun to diamond paint, if the glue is picking up, hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. Maybe there. There you go. If the glue is picking up, don't, force it. Just rub it until you feel it burning, your finger burning like a little bit, and then try to peel it up, and it should go down with no problems. Okay, so now we got the corners pretty good. Yeah. And now we're going to open up this bad boy and see what Santa looks like. Let's see what Santa looks like. So this looks like the top. It's got Home Craftology on the top, the size of the painting. The legend is on one side, guys, as you can see. And it is clear. Here's the thumbnail. It's very clear, the legend. So that's good. Let's try to open this up like this. Let's check out this canvas. And I'm going to do it very, very slowly. I'm going to try not to rip it. I want to open it. Yeah, you know what? I'll do it this way. I don't know why I'm making it hard for myself here. I do see a couple of bubbles, which is not an issue, guys. There's one big bubble, like right here, but that's not an issue. Ooh, and there's a big one right there. So there is a few bubbles, and which does, what happens a lot of times is the temperature changes. So what we're going to do is we're going to take either a tweezer or X-Acto knife and just go down in the middle, like bust the bubble. Bust your bubble. And then it should go right down and you can diamond paint. But it's very important that you take these bubbles out, guys, because if you put the drills on top of the bubble, it's going to stick up when you're done with your diamond painting, and it's going to be raised. The drills are going to be raised, and you don't want that. So just make sure you fix, before you put the your drills down, make sure you take care of these bubbles. And what I usually do is I go in the middle of the bubble, open it up, and then just scratch it one way and then scratch it the other way. It's not going to hurt your canvas, guys. And then the bubbles are taken care of. So, as you can see, that bubble there and this bubble here is completely gone just by doing what we just did. So, that is great. It looks really, the canvas looks very, very clear. The symbols look clear. I should get a lot of the detail in this painting. Santa. I'm hoping his face comes out well. As you can see, the canvas is very clear. His face is very clear in the camera. Up close, it does not look like it is. But it's a little pixelated. His eyes and cheeks, very sticky. But what I will do is, actually, you know what? It's the way I'm holding it. That's the problem. There he is. Alright, now I'm looking at his face. He's got his eyes, his little red nose, his lips, his beard. It's going to be really pretty. And a lot of the detail in the Christmas tree, you can actually see even before you put the drills down, so that's good. But like I said, this is my first impression with this company. It is not a review. The glue doesn't come out far at all, which is another good thing. So I do not think I will need washi tape. So let's check out the bottom of Santa. Put this down. So I am, let's see, let's pull this up first before I start yapping about everything. I don't see any bubbles down on the bottom of this. So I think it just had those two bubbles in the whole painting. So 2 bubbles in the painting is not bad at all. This is two-sided adhesive. So, or whatever you want to call it. It is not poured glue. But that's okay. There is, oh, I got another little bubble right here. Actually, it's not a little bubble, it's a big bubble. So I am going to release it right through there, right through it. You know, this time of year for, because of the weather, you're going to probably get a lot of bubbles in your, you know, if it's not poured glue, you're definitely going to get bubbles because of the temperature change and it going up and down and whatnot. But like I said, it doesn't stop you from doing the diamond painting. Just like I said, make sure you take the bubbles out. And it should be good to go. And there you go. Completely down now. Look at his Santa suit. He's cute. So that's the bottom of the painting, guys. Lots of detail in this. For a 40 by 55, I think we're going to get a really good detail. And I don't see, like I said, any any symbols that are the same or what have you. I'm just looking at these arrows. I only have arrows, I think, going that way, one way, which is good because some of these paintings that do come from China have the symbols, you know, arrows going this way and that way, and it drives me nuts. But actually there's two arrows in this painting, one going up and one going this way, but it's not going to be a problem because the one arrows that are going toward up is white, and the arrows going to the right are yellow. So that's not going to be an issue. Let me see if there's any other one that is going to be a pain in the buttocks. No, and the symbols are pretty light. The legend is clearly, very clear to read. So, first impression so far of this canvas, it's good to go. Let's see. Let's check out these colors. So this is a thick plastic, guys, and it's a real resealable bag, so that's good. We have our normal print on the drills, DMC codes in black. So, yeah. We got some pretty browns. We got 310s. We got greens. And naturally we got beautiful reds. 666. I don't do it as well as some of us do. But really pretty colors. I'm looking at the quality of these drills. They're very shiny. Very shiny. So that's a good thing. Let's look at the darker squirrels. I don't see, as just by looking at this, I don't see that much garbage in here. But like I said, we will know the truth of this company and this painting when we get into actually doing the diamond painting. So, I'm not going to go and do the inventory on camera. I don't want to hold you up today because it's New Year's Eve. And I know a lot of us have running around to do or crafting to do. So I don't want to hold you up too long. Yeah, guys. So, come back to the channel and see updates on this beautiful Santa picture. I will be showing updates, and to do that, subscribe, hit that little bell so you're notified for when I do upload videos and updates on my crafts, and hit that like button, hit that dislike button. Any comments, questions, concerns, please put them below. And live, love, laugh, and craft. Do what makes you happy, guys, and most of all, hopefully, I'm wishing every single last one of you a happy and prosperous, yes, I said prosperous, New Year. And those of you who've had a rough year, please have a better year. And yes, it's what we make it. So let's all get together and make next year the best. So good luck, everybody. Have a great new year. And I will see you next year. This is my last 2019 unboxing. And thank you for watching. And thank you for subscribing. And thank you for participating in my channel. Pickle Squad, thumbs up. Love you guys. Happy New Year.